Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kevin. We're doing no bake peanut butter balls, but we are going to add in some chocolate chips to the recipe.
Our sugar-free chocolate chips.
Our sugar-free. I don't know how many of these are going to be made. They do have to be stored in the fridge, so I'm going to use these little muffin papers to put the balls in. And then this nice, old, historic devil egg container. And that come from my mom's house. They tell me. I can tell you that is old.
Well, we have Tupperware from the 50s all the way up.
We do.
Because we inherited your mom's.
We inherited my mom's Tupperware.
Yeah.
When they moved out of their house into the retirement living home.
Yeah.
Okay.
And why are you doing a Wednesday video and not me?
Because Kelly's not feeling the greatest.
Oh.
She woke up the other night and she went to the bathroom, sat down, and threw up. Everything was spinning, dizzy. She had a doctor's appointment yesterday. We took her, and she's got vertigo.
Severe vertigo.
Hey?
Severe
vertigo. So it could be a while before she's back to 100%. They gave her some meds to help with the dizziness. Yeah, called Circ. So hopefully in a few days she'll start feeling better. But...
Yep.
Okay, ingredients. 1/2 cup peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 cup of almond flour. Now we're going to mix that, and if it's still a little too sticky, I have some extra almond flour at the side here just to add in to help the stickiness. The other thing is I'm wearing gloves. I do have a scoop to do the balls, but I'm still going to put some oil on the gloves to help me so that they don't stick. Okay. Almond flour, 1 cup. A 1/2 cup of peanut butter. So remember the trick I showed everybody before? Some cooking spray in that cup, because it will help the peanut butter slide right out. Now my peanut butter is a little full because I scraped out our other peanut butter that we had and added it to the new one. You can use whatever peanut butter you would like.
You could use crunchy. It'd be good.
Crunchy. Yep. If you're a natural peanut butter person, you use natural peanut butter. We don't eat a lot of peanut butter. I guess if it's something if I ate peanut butter all the time, I probably would buy the natural.
Yeah.
But we don't eat a great deal of peanut butter. And you see just how peanut butter slides right out. Okay. And 3 tablespoons of real maple syrup. Now, yeah, I know we're adding a little bit of sugar in there, but that's, you take the good with the bad, I guess. I'm going to mix this up first before I add in the chocolate chips.
It said on the thing that I read, it said that you could just put them in and mix it all together.
Well, I could.
Yeah. I know that part didn't print out for you.
No, it didn't. Because it was down below. It's not part of the original recipe.
It said alternative.
All right, let's guess about 1/3 cup. There we go. We're just going to actually spray my spatula.
It's a healthier version to like Reese's peanut butter cups.
Yeah. Yeah, if you were to make this all the time, if you were to eat peanut butter all the time, then I'd probably say get the natural peanut butter.
There's times our peanut butter goes bad before we even get to eat it all.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I don't even eat jam anymore. I gave my jam to Lennon Dorothy.
Yeah. I try to eat with low or no I don't really like the no sugar jam. So every once in a while I will have normal jam. I try and just not overdo it.
The biggest thing that you go nuts on and that you shouldn't is your chips.
Yeah. But if I plan on having some chips, I have to cut down on my intake of carbs during the day.
Exactly.
So I try and balance it out. Yep, it's not perfect, but okay. I believe we are ready to put it in the balls. It doesn't, I mean, it's a little sticky, but it's not bad. Now, I have this nice spray with some olive oil. I'm just gonna put some on here.
Yeah, I think that's plenty big enough.
Yeah. You just form it into a nice ball, and I'm just gonna put them in these little papers and put them in the containers.
Another alternate thing, they said you could put coconut around it.
Somebody in this house obviously doesn't want to live very long. Saying that.
He hates coconut.
I do. I do not like coconut. Okay. I am not going to sit here and bore everyone by putting these in. We will get them all put together, and then we'll do a taste test before we end the video. Okay, we're going to taste test this one. Kelly's going to take half. Oh, I'm going to give you a chocolate chip. I think there's a small chocolate chip in there.
There is.
Mm-hmm.
Because I loved Reese's Pieces, or Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. It's a good alternative.
It actually tastes like a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
Really good. So, on Monday at the doctor's as well, we talked about my Wegovy, and I am down 103 pounds, and then she also said that I'm on the shots for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
You go to the max dose, you go until you get where you want, whatever your goal is, and then after that you go to a maintenance dose for the rest of your life. So I'm cool with that. Right, bro? We're cool with that. Yeah. Alright, we'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.